Hello, what's up again? After a new vlog for a food trip in Liloan. So if you are into burgers, lasagna, pastas, and chicken, this is the perfect place to be. Plus, the setup, the view, amazing view, very relaxing and earth-friendly, nature-friendly. So if you wanna be here, Liloan, Cebu. This is how you do the thing. Better burgers, better foods. And with Hansel here, it is ang nanglood kaya di ko na madayan. Congratulations to the two. Graduate na sila, yay! Asa mo lang ka? Karon?
Ano din, di mo lakaw. May pagmamagpamuman.
A few moments later.
Why are you in this place?
Liloan National.
Oh no! Why are you in this place, Liloan?
Where are you? Again.
Okay, question number 1. Why are you in this place?
I'm here to eat the delicious lasagna and French fries.
How do you know that their food is delicious?
Because according to the Greek philosopher Jerry Lasagna,
What
he
did
was
he
already here 2 months ago, and he said that it's so yummy and delicious.
How yummy it is. Can you do some face?
Should I?
Again, go. Facial expression to how yummy the foods are. One more. So here we are. A new place in Liloan, Hill House, where you can have your favorite burgers, chicken, and some pastas with
Fries.
And lasagna. And wings.
and
Wings.
and
And with unlimited.
unlimited what? Hey.
Chico.
Sige. Suon ni Lilian Frasco. Jordan Frasco. Jordan.
O niya?
Ang ito ni Lilian Tundoktura. Mag-Anita yan.
Anita Villa Flores? She's someone.
Anita
So ang nalili karon ang tagiya jud ni.
ang tagiyan niya, ang anak.
Ang anak, asa lang babae ang laki.
Ang laki. Asawa ng babae.
Igon sa lidudong gamay presto?
Igsuon sa iyang asawa. Igsuon sa asawa do.
So thank you so much for the information you have shared, Miss Karen Davila. So the young ones are here.
Young one.
Say hi!
Hi!
Hi! Say subscribe to my channel.
Like and subscribe!
Ikaw.
Like and subscribe.
Ay, my feelings. Balik.
Makapasar-sar!
Balik. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay, mami, thank you for watching. 1, 2, 3, go. Live na live. Kumusta ka po, Mami D?
I don't know how to speak Bisaya. Tagalog.
Hindi mo alam kung mag-Tagalog. So, how are you, Mami D?
I'm very much fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm great too. So, where is this place?
What do you say again?
Where is this place?
I think this is Hill House.
Why is this called Hill House?
It's located in the hill, somewhere in Bohol.
What's in Bohol? What kind of hill?
The chocolate cake.
Chocolate hill? 7 days to Are you in hell or hill?
I'm not in hell, I'm in hill.
Inhale.
Inhale.
Exhale.
Meron na pa siya mga millions. So magkano yung kinikita mo? Millions. So makikita nyo po sa mga alahas, hindi ba? O, diba? That's worth 3 million. Made of how many carats? Karat.
Karat na dyan, no.
At yung mga po niya rilo, o, diba? Yung bag, Dior. Dior Cologne.
UK lang.
Tapos, yung damit, Chanel. Chanel.
Chanel.
So one thing is for sure, if you're done eating, it says
A few inches later.
it's mukbang time. Oh. Again, how do you eat the fries? One more. Get one, please. Show them how to eat the fries. Proper way of eating the fries. How do you chew the fries?
2 hours later.
This is just yung mga baby boys. How do we get here? Saan pag-ari?
Via plane.
Via plane? What kind of plane?
Private plane.
Asa mo lukat ang ticket?
Tayo di.
Sa UDS. Hi guys. How do you get here if you wanna be here? So if you will start from the municipal hall, you can actually take habal-habal for 20 pesos only. You can be here. Or if you have your private car, you can be here. This is just right after Coffee Madness. Or if you're familiar with Apollo, you just have to ask the people here and they will guide you to where this is located. So what are you doing there?
I am model of postcard.
Posh guide. Are you going to posh? Posh. Posh and Paul.
Posh and posh.
Produce people.
But I cannot carry it, so heavy.
How do you push the cart? Again. What's the sound? What's the sound? What's the sound? What's the sound? Again. Harder. It's time to say goodbye, Ratiza and Hansley, the graduates. Diba? Mga laagan saan sila. Kano pa kalaag? After 10 days? Idukulugi ko. Time to say goodbye. A different experience here in Hill House. What's the name again of this place?
Hill House.
Spell Hill House.
Red.
So, tell us about the place. How was your experience here?
Very romantic.
Why is it romantic? Are you with your
Place is
special?
very cool.
Not hot? Who would you like to thank to?
Of course, Gerald is son of the sponsor.
Thank you so much, Mami. Diba? Wow, thank you, the queen of our bank teller. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Till next time.